had this little kiddo, he's in first grade, or kindergarten rather, comes into school for the first time. He's 5 years old, he comes into the bathroom. He comes out and he says to me, he goes, Miss, he goes, you're not going to believe this. I said, what? He goes, the toilets are on the wall. And I'm thinking, wow, I hope he didn't sit in there. And then he comes in and he reaches in his pocket, and this is, I know it's kind of disgusting, but I have to share it. It was the funniest story. He reaches in his pocket and he goes, and they got mints in them. So I go to one of the male teachers, I said, what's he talking about? And he tells me the story now. Oh my goodness, deodorizers. They put deodorizers in those toilets on the wall, that's right. But I'm thinking, instead of this kid being in trouble, I'm thinking, is this the child's first introduction to a public restroom without an adult with him? Think about it. When you're a little kid, you bring your kids with you. They come to school and they go in there, and let's face it, the equipment is rather fun, right? The acoustics are fantastic, right? And you're under the door, you're on this, you're on that. Listen, I mean, it is unbelievable. And then they get into trouble for that. So before they get into trouble for that, we might want to be thinking about, are we teaching the self-help skill in these areas?